Hey, what is up guys? Matt here from the Toasty Bros, and I'm here with another keyboard review. This time we were going to be checking out something a little bit different, a low profile mechanical keyboard from Havit Gaming. What is the point of a low profile mechanical keyboard, and is this worth your hard-earned money? Let's talk about that. As I've mentioned many times and you've seen on this channel, I have reviewed a ton of keyboards, but this is my very first when it comes to the low profile variant. My first impressions of this keyboard are somewhat concerning regarding build quality. Having a low profile switch means that you're making a really low profile design, and rigidity is somewhat left out when it comes in the design process. While it does feel somewhat sturdy, I still have my doubts about how well it will hold up over time. It does have an aluminum backplate, which does give it enough rigidity to compensate for the low profile design, but it's something just to keep in mind. The keycaps themselves are low profile, of course, and double shot. You won't be able to change these keycaps out unless you can find ones that fit the specific switch because they are a custom designed switch from Kale. They use a non-gamery font, which I'm very proud of, and I love to see on a keyboard like this, but it kind of looks really big and bulky, and it looks like an easy reader keyboard, so smaller font would be better on the next variation. The switch on this keyboard is actually pretty cool. It has an actuation point of 3mm and is very tactile. It's a Kale low profile blue switch with an 11.5mm height. I type all the scripts of these keyboards reviews using the keyboard that I'm reviewing, and that being said, I still see it as a really awesome little keyboard. I see it really good for fast actuation in certain games, but at some points I kind of wonder, does this belong on a desktop or on a laptop? Onto the back of the keyboard, where we have a pretty basic backing with decent flip out feet. They do the job, and this keyboard really doesn't move around. Oh, and also, it has a removable USB cable, just what I love to see. Now onto the lighting, which isn't the most impressive part of this keyboard. It's just a teal blue lighting, which looks nice, and I will showcase some of the modes on this keyboard, which are pretty awesome, and it just adds to a good backlighting on a keyboard. It's really nothing special, but it does the job. But now that we've gone over the main overview, let's just get into a typing test and light show, shall we? So what are my conclusions of this keyboard? Well, it's kind of a mixed bag. I really like the low profile design. It has a very clean aesthetic on your desk, and it will make a really good gaming keyboard for people who want really fast actuation time, and it does seem like it would be a good option. But I somewhat wonder, is this kind of a proof of concept, or is this something that a lot of people actually use? I can see this as possibly a good travel keyboard, boasting a 10 keyless design and how thin it actually is, but again, I come back to the whole build quality issue. Someone just may prefer this design altogether for its clean aesthetic, but again, that's personal preference, and for me, I think it's a cool experience, but I would love to see this kind of technology on a laptop. That's why I really think this kind of mechanical switch will thrive. But this is a discussion video and a review, and I want to hear your all's opinion down below, so definitely leave a comment. That about wraps things up here, guys. If you like this video, leave a like down below and comment what you think. If you haven't already, follow us on Twitter and join our Discord community. Our Discord community is growing really fast, and I'm really impressed with all the people hopping hopping on. It's growing every day, and there's a lot of people talking tech and reviews and their opinions on PC builds, and you get a lot of help from other YouTubers or other creators, and even other people in just general who are fans of PC hardware. So I highly recommend you join the link in the description down below. I'm always there. At me, I'll come in and say what's up, and I'll answer your questions as much as I possibly can without totally getting bared down. But this is kind of my shameless plug of the Discord server because it's a really awesome community, and I want to see you all on there. So that's it, guys. I hope to see you all in the next one. Peace out.